Keeping equipment in optimal condition is a complex task with high stakes. Conventional maintenance practices, based on fixed schedules, can lead to unexpected failures or unnecessary downtime. Envision detecting equipment issues before they occur, ensuring continuous operations. AI facilitates predictive maintenance by monitoring equipment conditions at all times, diagnosing anomalies, and better predicting failures. For instance, in the aerospace industry, using past maintenance records and a combination of different sources of sensor data, AI can monitor the condition of numerous components, detect anomalies that signal future problems, and provide a timeline for when parts may fail. This proactive approach allows you to perform maintenance precisely when needed, avoiding unnecessary costs and downtime. The result? Improved efficiency, extended component life, enhanced operational reliability, and significant cost savings. IVADO Labs equips you with cutting-edge AI solutions to elevate your maintenance capabilities and industry standing.